You are here because you've clicked one of these links right here. And in this video, we are going to discuss how to download and install the Zoom link for your specific operating system. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Let's begin our Zoom conferencing experience by downloading the Zoom client for the Windows operating system. To start doing this, you want to go down to step 1 and click on Windows link here. If you're using a Chrome browser, this will download in the bottom bar down here, and you can always find this into your downloads folder as well. We're going to go ahead and click on this icon down in the bottom bar to begin the install of the .exe file, and we'll click Run. We will go ahead and approve any dialog boxes or questions that pop up for this installation. So yes, we will allow this Zoom video communications app to make changes to our device.